This is always a popular body style and model here at Unique, especially in classics. 1969 Chevrolet Chevelle two-door hardtop or sports coupe. SS Tribute car, 396 big block underneath the hood. Nicely equipped with power steering, power brakes, automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic 350 to be exact. Let's take a look at the front chrome bumper. As you can see, chrome's in nice shape. Headlights surrounds the SS grille with 396 badging. This car has had restoration work done to it. Repainted in the red with the black stripe scheme. Looks good with the black vinyl interior. Take your time looking through the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube. It's going to take you right to our website. And you can always call us, 507-386-1726. Disc brakes up front, American Racing, polished 5-spoke wheels. Now, as far as the paint, there's some spots where, like here's an example up front. I don't know if you can see them, it's kind of tough in the light, but there's some little specks that are in the clear. View of those throughout the car. And I'll kind of try to point some things out as we go around. Don't get me wrong, this thing's going to turn heads. It sounds incredible. But I just want to make you aware, paint's not perfect. Does it have a nice shine? Absolutely. Black vinyl interior, bucket seats, horseshoe shifter. Of course, the center console, some aftermarket gauges underneath the dash, as well as the aftermarket tack on the steering column. I don't know if you can kind of see just some of the little kind of specks in the clear, I guess, if you will. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. A couple spots in the paint there. You can see that. Again, these are minor. Just kind of want to point them out as we go around. Make you aware of it. A little dull spot just kind of on the black stripe back here. Again, get in the car, have some fun. Go to your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows, drive it. Chrome in the rear bumper looks good. Again, more of the SS badging. Whether you like these old school muscle cars, maybe like late model sports cars, maybe like square body trucks, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out what comes through here. You never know. Videos are uploaded daily of all the vehicles that we have available to purchase. And like I said, you never know what may come through here. So go ahead and subscribe and just check out the cool cars. Take a look down the passenger side. Again, you can see the paint has a nice shine to it. Let's take a little closer look at this interior. Door panels look good. There'll be pictures and with the still pictures of the undersides of the doors, those look good. I have pictures underneath the floor mats and with the still pictures. You can see the seats are free of rips, tears, holes, little bit of wear in the piping on the side here. Seat belts intact, front and rear. Headliner, looking good. Stereo does power up, has an Alpine stereo up front. Previous owner of the car kept some rear speakers for his next vehicle. Would need speakers, but stereo powers up and everything's wired in. As you can see, the Grant GT. Aftermarket steering wheel. Let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. If you stick around to the very end of this video, we're going to take this car for a drive so you'll be able to see how it goes down the road too. Alright, tachometer working. Let this big block warm up just a little bit. Voltmeter, water temp, that was a cold start. There's your oil pressure, as you can see. Again, Alpine stereo powers up. I have had the wipers working. Dash looks good. Passenger seat also in good shape. No rips, tears, holes, really much wear it off. Love the sound of this car. said, this one will turn some heads the way it looks and the way it sounds. Let me slip up the front. When we get underneath the hood, you can see this does have an Edelbrock 4-barrel carb, Edelbrock intake. I believe it was a Performer. Also has HEI ignition to get power steering, power brakes. So let's get the hood pop, check that out. The underside of the hood, looking good. There it is. Also has headers, as you can see. Looks good, sounds good underneath there. And remember, stick around to the very end of this video. We're going to take this car for a drive. 1969 Chevrolet Chevelle SS Tribute. 2-door hardtop. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're going back to the heyday of the muscle car, 1969, with this Chevy Chevelle in red. Chevrolet Chevelle red with black stripes, black interior. This is an automatic horseshoe shifter on the center console. Very strong acceleration. Shifts like it might have a torque converter upgrade. That's just me. The volts are showing over 14. Water temperature about 140, 150 right now. These are a triple gauge set under the dash. Oil pressure is at 70. We have an Alpine stereo that does power up. Blower motor works. Wipers work. Nice performance tachometer by Equus. Mounted to the column. Speedometer is working. Really nice sound of this car. The idle is great. That low-key sound. Vinyl bucket seats in this car. Feels like power steering. Nice condition, interior and exterior. Good shine and paint. Brakes are working well. Corners properly for a 69 Chevelle. Car gets up and goes very nicely. Lots of fun to drive. Alignment is good. If I let go of the wheel, it doesn't pull to the side at all. Lots to love about this Chevelle. Learn more about it. See all the pictures at UniqueClassicCars.com.